Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at some Xbox One accessories you can't miss. I made this list based on my personal opinion and tons of research, and have listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option, or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the Xbox One accessories in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with a hidden word in the video. Once we reach 1,000 likes, we will pick a winner and notify him. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of some Xbox One accessories you can't miss right now. Coming at number 10, we've got the RAZER Wolverine gaming controller. The RAZER Wolverine is a wired gaming controller for Xbox One with an incredible set of customization options. We know for most, a wired controller is not the best gaming option, but if you took a look at the features of the controller, it's worth a check. They include swappable thumbsticks and D-pad, 6 bumper and trigger buttons you can remap, and a built-in audio control panel. The gamepad also features the gaming giant's signature chroma lighting experience. You can adjust it via an Xbox app. Number 9. GAEMS Vanguard Personal Gaming Environment. The GAEMS Vanguard is essentially an Xbox One storage case with a built-in 19-inch LED monitor with 720p resolution. With the built-in strap-on shoulder, the accessory allows you to take your console with you and game anywhere, so long as you have access to a power outlet and are willing to lug your heavy Xbox around. Perfect for those who want to plug their console and game no matter where they are. Coming in at number 8, HORI Real Arcade Pro vs. Kai Fighting Stick. If you're addicted to games like Injustice 2 or Street Fighter, a fighting stick like this one from HORI can really up your game. This accessory has large buttons, it's comfortable to use, and won't make your hands sweat as much as a traditional controller would. If you prefer a standard style fighting controller, consider the other offerings from HORI instead. Coming at number 7, YAMAHA YAS 109 Soundbar. This powerful soundbar from Yamaha will work nicely with any gamer setup. It delivers impressive audio and a strong feature set for a great price. Although it doesn't come with a separate subwoofer, it still has plenty of built-in bass, so you won't miss it. The sound can sit nicely on an entertainment stand below your television, or it'll work on a large desk for some PC gaming too. Number 6, ELGATO Game Capture Card HD 60S. This little device records full HD 1080p video at 60 frames per second, letting you capture every frame of the latest and greatest games off of the newest consoles. It has a microphone port for narrating gameplay, and it's compatible with both PCs and Macs. It's the preferred device for live streaming on Twitch, YouTube, and Ustream. Or you can share your recordings to YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter in just one click. Coming in at number 5, CORSAIR HS50 Pro. Budget gaming headsets feature mostly plastic bodies and mediocre sound quality, but not the CORSAIR HS50 Pro. It's a budget-friendly pick with a metal construction that works perfectly with the Xbox. Plus, it both looks and feels more premium than the other budget headsets, like the HyperX Cloud Stinger headset. The headbands and ear cups on the HS50 are on the larger side, mostly because of thick synthetic leather padding, but they're still super comfortable plush, and will cover your entire ear. The headset delivers stellar audio quality considering its budget price. Coming in number 4, Collective Minds Xbox One Mod Pack. This nifty accessory adds 2 customizable back paddle buttons to your controller. With help from this accessory, you can map any controller button to any of the 2 paddles. That way you can keep your thumbs on the thumbsticks and dominate your opponent. Number 3, ENERGIZER 2X Charging System. If you don't trust yourself to remove the batteries from your Xbox One controllers for recharging, and would find it easier to just dock the entire controller, this accessory will help. The Energizer 2X charging system is officially licensed by Microsoft, and it consists of 2 rechargeable batteries and a handy charging stand to keep your game setup tidy and your controllers charged and ready to go. Coming at number 2, Linksys WRT32XB Gaming Wi-Fi Router. This wireless router was built specifically to make your Xbox One's wireless internet connection faster. It automatically detects your Xbox when it's connected and prioritizes network traffic to it. Linksys says this router reduces peak ping times by 65% to help deliver smooth, lag-free gaming. The router is equipped with 4 Ethernet ports, a USB 3.0 jack, and 4 dual-band antennas. Number 1. Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Wireless Gaming Headset. This gaming headset is our favorite Xbox One headset. It sounds great and is totally wireless. And since it's only priced around $100, it won't break the bank either. The headset weighs a light 10 ounces, making it comfortable and not cumbersome. It features an adjustable design and soft memory foam leatherette cushions that ensure that gamers can spend hours with the headset on without even a hint of fatigue. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for some Xbox One accessories you can't miss. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.